Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to auto-invest in your Binance account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in binance.com/en-ZB and click on Enter. Here, you need to log into your account. After that, hover your mouse to the Earn tab. You can find Auto Invest button. Click on it. After that, scroll down a little. From here, you can select the cryptocurrency you want to auto invest. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum or other supported coins. After that, click on Create a Plan button. From here, enter the amount you wish to invest each time. Scroll down a little and you can see recurring cycle. Choose how often you want to invest, example daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly or any other options here. From here you can select when you want the investment plan to begin. After that you need to click on Confirm button. You may need to verify if you have not verified your profile. Otherwise, you can create a plan for auto investment. Review the plan details including the currency, investment amount and frequency. After that, once the auto invest is completed, you can view and manage the auto invest plans by going to this tab here. Binance Auto-Invest work on dollar cost average, which is DCA strategy, which helps to minimize the effects of market. Ensure you have a consistent balance in your funding wallet to avoid missed investments. So that is how Binance will automatically purchase your chosen crypto at a set intervals, helping you build a portfolio over time. So that is how you can auto-invest in Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.